Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching. So today I'm going to share some homemade spicy wings recipe with everybody. So here I have about 20 pieces of chicken wings, and I'm going to give them a good wash, and I like to soak them in some vinegar. So after washing them, drain the water, add some more water, and add about a cup of white distilled vinegar in there, and we're going to leave them soaking in that for about 20 minutes or so while we prepare the flour mixture. So here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add some spices. So I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. I'll have everything listed down below as well in the comment section, so don't worry about the measurements. Now give everything a real good mix and set it aside. Now after washing your wings, get some paper towel and try to pat them dry as much as possible. And with the flour mixture, I'm going to take a little bit out and set it aside. So if I need to use it, I will use it. If I don't, then it's not gonna go to waste. I can use it maybe next time I make wings. So here I have a pan with some foil. I lined it with foil for easy cleanup, and I have a rack on top of that. It is good to use one of these racks because the heat circulates better, and your wings come out nice and crispy. I already have my oven preheating to 475, and I'm going to dust all the wings with this flour and spice mixture, and I'm going to line them on this rack, and then they're gonna go in the oven for about 30 minutes. And halfway through, after 30 minutes, I'm going to take them out, turn them over, and then pop them back in there for another 20 minutes. So let's do the next step. So in a medium-sized saucepan, add half a stick of butter, half a bottle of the hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and we're going to simmer that on medium-high heat till all the butter melts completely, and set it aside. So after about 30 minutes, I took out the wings, turned them over, and put them back in there for additional 20 minutes. And after that, I took them out, and this is what they look like. Now I'm going to put all of them in the saucepan and mix them. But as you can see, this pan is kind of small, so it's best to put them in a bowl and then pour the sauce over so you can easily mix them, but whatever works for you, you know. So here I'm going to mix them and try to coat them as best as possible so your wings are ready. And these are really good and really delicious. Everybody enjoys them a lot. So I like to serve them with some salad dressing, the ranch salad dressing. So hopefully this was helpful and useful to somebody out there. And if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for all the latest videos and updates from my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again very soon with another recipe.